Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to watch videos with subtitles on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Search for the video you would like to watch. Play the video. Tap anywhere on the video to display the playback controls. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the video player. Tap on Captions from the menu. Select the subtitle language. For the demo purpose, I will select Hindi. Now click the play button to watch the video. As you can see, subtitles are appearing on the video in your preferred language. If you want, you can change the language by following the same steps. This is how you can watch videos with subtitles on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.